If you've made it this far, all the way through the foundational series, thank you. It really means a lot. This is not easy work. This is deep work. It's touching on all aspects of your being, your emotions, your body, your energy, your spirit. This work is deep. It is not for the faint of heart. If you've been resonating with it truly, it probably means that something deeper is waking up in you or has already been awakened in you and is wanting to integrate and go even deeper. Do you let this energy work on you? Do you walk through the door? Do you let it transform every aspect of your life? This energy will ask more of you than anything you've ever experienced, but it will also change you from the inside out. It will lead to your greatest dreams. It will bring your relationships into alignment. It will bring everything in your life that is out of alignment into truth, into devotion, into God. This is the path of Kundalini embodiment. It is your divine blueprint. It knows who you are. It knows what you're here for. And if you let it, it will show you the way. If you're wanting to go deeper, then you have two options depending on where you feel you are in your current embodiment. Option one is if you're newer on the path and you're still exploring and you're learning a lot and you're wanting to know more, then I invite you to stay here, stay connected here on YouTube. You can also get my free Kundalini Mastery Starter Kit at the link below if you haven't already. And that's really an introductory experience to start to understand and work with this energy. You can find some helpful facilitators there, and we can just continue to go deeper here together. If you're more advanced and you've been working with this energy for a while and you're wanting to become a Kundalini master, someone who is coherent in your energy field, anchored, understands how to work with this energy with precision, with intelligence, with safety, with refinement, who can influence the energy field with your own coherence, who can really support others through your own embodiment, then you may be a fit for the Kundalini Embodiment Mentorship Program. If this is right for you, you'll know, you'll feel it in your body. Trust that impulse, trust yourself. We can talk about it, we can go deeper together. Just click the link below to get more information about it. Regardless, wherever you are on your path, you're not alone. I'm here with you, and I'm happy to be walking this path with you.